As a quality-conscious business, we take pride in giving you the best and the most amazing service experience. We start with a handshake and a smile as we get ready to make magic happen with your carpet. We always ensure your home is protected by wearing shoe covers, using floor protectors, and corner guards for the corners of walls and furniture. The cleaning begins with dry soil removal via thorough vacuuming, whether done by you prior to our arrival or by us. Then we apply an even coat of safe cleaning agents to the carpet, which suspend the soil for thorough removal. Sometimes we apply stain-specific carpet spotters to help with stubborn spots. When needed, we use various power scrubbers to help further loosen soils and stains. This one is called a counter-rotating brush, or CRB. Its bristles counter-spin, lifting deeply embedded pet hair and soil that rests deeper in the carpet than any vacuum can reach. Then we use professional rinsing wands to completely remove the cleaning agents from the carpet, leaving no residue behind. For the most challenging situations, we may use a rotary extractor, which provides multiple spray jets, vacuum slots, and rotary action for an extra deep flush and rinse. Then we do additional dry passes to extract all the moisture that can be removed, so your carpets dry quickly. With all the detail we put into beautifying your carpets, our goal is to amaze you and to make you a regular, happy client who tells others about us. So, for carpets that are clean, healthy, and soft, call today and join the community of super happy clients. See why so many use us on a regular basis. Once you've tried us, you will never use anyone else.